All right, I know what you're saying. Chris is sleeping on the job again. I'm not. Hey everybody, it's Chris Young from Gander RV and Outdoors. And you know what? After a long day of hunting, fishing, hiking, biking, just getting outdoors, sometimes you just want to come in, lay down, and enjoy a nap. Especially when you got a nice big window like this to let the outside breeze in, and you're laying on a big queen size bed. You might be saying to yourself, okay, where am I at? I am in the Forest River Ozark 1650BHX. This small couples camper, great entry-level camper, has a bunk. I say couples camper mainly because, I mean, yeah, it's great if you just want to upgrade from doing the tent camping to all of a sudden checking out what a true travel trailer is like, and you don't really want to upgrade. This camper is 3,500 pounds, and you can sleep 2 adults here, 1 there, or a couple of kids, and the bunks are big enough for adults or kids. I'll show you those in just a second. But this mattress is extremely comfortable, and you don't need a lot when you're talking about going outside and roughing it. We're not roughing it anymore. We want the creature comforts of home inside of our campers. And that's what Forest River was thinking about. Got plenty of storage underneath this mattress, which is also accessible underneath the camper through the pass-through storage. And you see that nice herringbone pattern on the floor? That is something you're going to see all throughout this camper. Because Forest River said, yes, we want it to look nice, be nice, and have a nice price. Lots of storage up here, and I'm a big fan of this graphite finish that Forest River did. This beautiful, dark, just wood style. Got your ward here with the coat hanger in there. We move around to the kitchen. Got the nice little 2-burner stove. You see the graphite continues through here, and these are some sturdy, solid cabinets. They're not going to open up when you're driving around. I mean, as you can see, it's a little difficult to kind of pull them out. They make that on purpose so that when you're driving around, everything doesn't start bouncing around. You got the Furion microwave, which is also a convection. Come over here to the deep well sink with the high-rise nickel finish steel-plated faucet. Continue up here in the kitchen and look at the frosted glass in the shaker cabinet. That is nice. And of course you got plenty of room. Nice solid panels in there as well. We come over to the fridge. How about a Norcold 7 cubic foot fridge? That's a lot of space. When you're talking about taking the family out, maybe it's just you and the kids, or maybe, you know, small guys trip, small ladies trip, you could fit plenty of drinks and food in here and in the freezer. And we come over to the entertainment area, the dining area, if you will. And this is really nice. The cushions, which this also extends out into a bed because this lowers down, but the cushions are so plush, and they have this almost like diamond plated little imprint here. That just, I mean, it just feels so nice and soft, and you really got to feel it. I can't explain it to you in the video. You got to come check it out. Nice big window here, big spacious area for preparing the food, eating the meals, playing cards, playing board games, whatever you want to do with the family. Got plenty of space here, and like I said, that does lower down into a bed. Now, we come over to the bunks. These teddy bear bunk style mattresses, they are soft, they are fuzzy, and when it's cold outside, these feel so good. Plus, they're plush, and these solid bunks can hold up to 300 pounds. So, yeah, sure, kids sleep on bunks, but if you got a guy's trip or a ladies trip, bring the adults. This has got plenty of room for an adult. Got lights on both the top and the bottom bunks, and windows right there to help you get that nice evening cool breeze. Continue on with the graphite finish on the solid door here in the bathroom. And plenty of space. You got plenty of room in here to handle what needs to be handled. As for the shower, you remember I said that herringbone pattern was going to continue. You just go right from the floor right up to the shower. I'm a big fan of the lighter showers because of how light, airy, and homey it makes it feel inside here. Plus, with the skylight and the vent fan right here, I got plenty of room. I'm not hunkered down. I'm over 6 feet tall, and I'm fine in this camper. Shoulder to shoulder, up and down. I'm good. I'm going to feel like I'm taking a shower at home. I'm not all hunkered down and feeling compressed and like, oh, this camping experience sucks. Forest River knows what they're doing. They wanted you to be comfortable out here. So, we've seen the interior of the 2020 Forest River Ozark Light 1650BHX. Nice, beautiful finishes on the inside. What about the outside? Well, just wait till you see it, because that's where we're going right now. Okay, folks, so here we are outside of the 2020 Forest River Ozark Ascent 1650 BHX. Sounds like a lot because it is a lot. They've packed a lot of amenities from home inside this small camper. We're gonna start right over here. Got your tongue and crank right there. 20-pound propane tank. I'm also a big fan of the diamond plated rock guard they're beginning to put on campers now. Love those. But look at the clean lines and color schemes that Forest River did with this Ascent brand of campers. The Ozark lights just look so great. Got your solid grab handle right there. Of course, right there is your solar prep. If you want to get solar power, you're good to go right there. Pre-wired for Wi-Fi. If you want to know more about that, ask one of our RV specialists or one of our service folks. They'll be more than glad to help you out. Down here, we have our connections. Black tank flush right there. Water right there. You got a power connection right there. So if you want to hook up your boom box, charge your phone, the whole nine, you can do that while you entertain underneath this beautiful giant awning. I mean, look at this. It almost spans the entire length of the camper. And when you're outside entertaining, this is so nice. It comes in so handy. It's almost like your own private back porch. Single axle. And if you notice, some campers have single axle, some have double. So it's the 2 tires, that's double axle. 3 would be triple axle. So we come back around. Low point drain is there. Rear jack leveling right there. Got your 4x4 sewer hose storage, spare tire, city water connection, outside shower. I am such a fan of these. When I first got my camper, I was like, no, I'm never going to use it. Now you use it all the time because you don't want to track that dirt on the inside. Here are the sealed windows for the bunks. And if you notice, they're big. That's going to get you a lot of air. And of course, they did set this up. So if you want a backup camera, it is ready for it. Come back around this side, you got your cable connection. Here you got your sewer outlet connection, wastewater holding tank, and sewage holding tank. These are your dumps. So when you pull up to the dump station, you got your controls right there. And when it comes through pass-through storage, I got to tell you, for a small camper, this one has a lot of storage. That beautiful herringbone floor finish continues inside the storage. And this is also accessible, like we mentioned in the bedroom, from underneath the master bedroom bed. So if you've been thinking about upgrading, you say, okay, I'm done with tents, but I don't want to make a huge jump and buy like a big giant 5th wheel. You want a travel trailer, something nice, something for the family or just a couple. The Forest River Ozark brand, they have you covered. They know exactly what you're looking for. They got the floor plans that you need. All you got to do is come down and see us at Gander RV. We're going to help you find the camper that fits your lifestyle. We're about going to the extreme. That means extreme dreams of camping, and more importantly, getting you extremely happy with what you want and what you get. So when you're ready to make the jump, come see us at Gander RV. I look forward to hearing your stories of camping and hearing which camper that you got from us and all the joys that it brings when you're with your friends and your families on the weekends. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV. Thank you so much for joining us. I look forward to seeing you next time.